Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to edit call to action button on Convertkit. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is type the text for your button. You can write like get it now or subscribe now or something else. And after that, just simply highlight the text that you just entered. And from there, optionally, you can center the text for better alignment by clicking the centering option in the toolbar. And from there, guys, just simply insert the link that you want the button to redirect to by clicking the insert link button. And from there, guys, just simply make sure to choose open link in a new tab. And from there, just simply paste the URL that you want it to redirect with. And after that, guys, with the text still highlighted, just simply switch to the HTML view by clicking on the HTML button in the toolbar. And from there, in the HTML view, just simply find the link code that was inserted and modified by adding class equals quotation marks button to the a tag. So guys, it will look something like this. And from there, just simply go ahead and provide your link over here to the HTML and the class button, and make sure you have the message over here. So just simply follow these prompts. And once you have ensured the link opens in a new tab by adding target equals blank to the HTML, just simply save your changes. And from there, just simply view the email in the browser preview, and you should see the button with your link and it should be working. And guys, just simply follow the same steps to add a button in Convertkit sequence and ensure that the templates you choose include the button formatting as well. And guys, in the email editor, you could choose a template that supports the button. And if it doesn't, guys, just simply go to the settings, and from there, just simply go for the email template and just simply go ahead and select one with a button setup. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.